In this video, I'm showing you my E.D.C, everyday carry. This is what it looks like all together. Now taking off the sleeve, I've got the Golden Gate National Recreation field notes. It's my 5th field notes / pocket notebook. And we've got the pens, which is black and blue Pilot G2s. I mostly use the black, but the blue is just for like titles of what I'm doing. And putting them back, putting it all back together. I did hand make this leather cover, but I did not record it. Now I'm going to show you some of the ones that I have used, which include another handmade cover. I also did not record a video for this one. And the field notes, which I used for the longest. And leave a comment if you have any questions, and a video up here which is making a cover like this, not this one, but like this one. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.